We all want to speed up our old laptops, right? The best way to do this is by replacing the hard drive with an SSD. But what about the old hard drive? Should we throw it in the dustbin? The answer is no. We can use this as a portable external hard drive. But how? For this, we need a magic box called hard drive enclosure. A hard drive enclosure is a mechanical box that houses the 2.5-inch SATA hard drive or SSD, protects the hard drive or SSD and its pins from breaking or other physical damage, and enables it to connect to any computer or laptop. But how do we assemble this? First, buy it from Amazon, Flipkart or any local computer shop. Then unbox this. Down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Insert the hard drive as per the pins. Don't underestimate this tiny foam. It doesn't allow the hard drive from any shaking. Take out the conversion cable that comes together with the enclosure. And connect it. Now it becomes a complete portable external hard drive, like a pen drive that we can carry anywhere and can connect to any computer through USB. For the fastest user experience, always buy a hard drive enclosure with a USB 3.0 or latest version USB support and connect it to a port with USB 3.0 or the latest version. If you connect it to a USB 2.0 port, it will bottleneck the speed to USB 2.0. The color of USB 3.0 ports and connectors is blue and USB 2.0 is black. But one thing to be remembered, that if your PC does not have a Type-C USB port, then please don't buy a hard drive enclosure with a Type-C conversion cable. Otherwise, you will not be able to use it. After connecting, all the files will appear as before on your PC.